Hello friends, welcome back to my new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we delete our face lock data. Friends, you want to delete your face lock data means guys you want to delete your face lock in your Realme phone. So guys how can you delete guys your face lock in your Realme phone? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel friend, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So then first of all open your phone setting to delete your face lock. Then guys scroll it. So as you can see guys, your password and security setting, friends, tap here. Guys click on guys your face lock setting. Then guys draw your pattern which you have, and guys you have any name, password and pin. So I enter your pin. So as you can see guys, your face lock setting from here. So you can see guys face data. So as you want to delete your face data, guys tap here. As you can see delete face. Yes, we want to delete. You cannot use guys your face lock. So I hope friends you understood how to delete face lock in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.